Click power. No response. Use non-woven fabric as a protective layer between the screen and keyboard when disassembling. Unscrew the back cover screws. Open both sides of the rear cover. Pry open the rear cover from the top down. Pull out the tape. Pry up the battery interface. Remove the battery interface. Remove the screws. Pry open interface. Unscrew the screws and remove the gasket. Lift the cable port of the touchpad with a crowbar. Turn the cable of the touchpad to the other side. Lift the cable port with a crowbar. Remove the screws. Remove the screws. Slide a pry board under the battery. Apply adhesive remover and gently push until the battery fully detaches. Use the pry board to slowly pry up the battery. Use a crowbar to lift up the computer's motherboard. Remove the battery. Use a crowbar to lift up the computer's motherboard. Put the XINGLT battery in place. Remove the transparent protective film. Remove the crowbar. Tighten the motherboard screws. Tighten the battery screws. Lift up the battery, tear the tape, and then put down and press it gently. Tighten the motherboard screws. Insert the cable port. Put the gasket in place and tighten the screws. Insert the cable port of the touchpad into the connector and install the screw. Insert the cable port. Put the gasket in place and tighten the screws. Install the power interface screw. Insert the battery interface. Press the buckle. Stick the tape. Close the rear cover. Tighten the rear cover screws. Power on successfully. Replacement completed.